When we talk about completed building developments, we often use the past perfect tense to describe what had happened before a certain point in the past. The past perfect tense is formed by using had followed by the past participle of the verb. For example, consider the sentence: by the time we visited the new museum, the architects had completed the construction. In this sentence, the use of the past perfect tense, had completed, indicates that the construction of the museum was finished before the point in the past when we visited it. One famous example of a building development described in the past perfect tense is the completion of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. We could say, by the time the tower was inaugurated in 1889, the engineers had designed and built a groundbreaking structure that would become a symbol of France. This sentence highlights the completed action of designing and building the tower before it was officially opened to the public. Another example is the construction of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the tallest building in the world. We could say, when the Burj Khalifa was unveiled in 2010, the architects and engineers had spent years planning and constructing a marvel of modern architecture. Here, the past perfect tense emphasizes the completed actions of planning and constructing the building before its grand opening. The use of the past perfect tense allows us to convey a sense of completion and continuity when describing building developments. By using this tense, we can show the progression of actions that led to the creation of iconic structures around the world. From the pyramids of Egypt to the skyscrapers of New York City, the past perfect tense helps us paint a vivid picture of the effort and creativity that go into architectural achievements. In conclusion, the past perfect tense is a valuable tool for describing completed building developments. By using this tense, we can showcase the hard work and innovation that have shaped the world of architecture. So next time you visit a historic landmark or a modern masterpiece, remember to appreciate the past perfect tense that tells the story of its creation.